Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program which will make a count of all the directories and files present under current working directory. And before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So once the program gets executed, it should show you the count of all the directories and files present under current working directory. And suppose this is the example and we have the present working directory as programs, and under this directory I have further two directories, Linux and Java, and I have other regular files like fib.sh, fact.sh, prime.sh and countfiles.sh. Countfiles.sh is a file in which I am writing my shell script which will make a count of all the directories and files present under programs directory. Okay, so to make the count we need two commands, and those commands are -f command and -d command. -f command decide whether the resource which we are looking in the present working directory is a regular file, and -d command helps us to decide whether the resource which we are looking in the present working directory is a directory or not. So we will be using these two commands to make a count of directories and files. So to find the count, we need to search all the files as well as directories present under programs, which is our present working directory. So to search each and every directory as well as files, we should use a for loop. We should start a for loop for item in star semicolon. Okay, so we are searching the entire resources of this program's directory, then do and done. Okay, so one by one each and every resource of this present working directory gets searched. Okay, first we will be visiting this Linux directory. Okay, so we will check if -d dollar item. Now item is stored this Linux value. Okay, and we are using -d command to check whether the directory which this item is pointing is a directory. If it is a directory, then it will make a count of directory count plus plus. Okay, so at the very beginning we need to initialize these two variables. First one is directory count is equals to 0, and then files count is equals to 0. At the very beginning itself we need to initialize 0 to both of these variables, directory count as well as files count. Okay, the moment when we encounter any directory, then the directory count gets incremented. For the first time we will be pointing this to this Linux directory, so the count gets incremented by 1, so count of directory count gets changed to 1. Okay, second time it will be pointing to this Java directory, and that's why the directory count gets incremented by 1 and now it becomes 2. What if the resource which we are pointing is not a directory? Then it will be a file, so that can be checked in else part, else files count plus plus. Okay, if it is not a directory, then it must be a file, then it will increment the file count. Okay, so the same code I will be using to write a shell program. I will be starting with shebang, then I will initialize directory count is equals to 0, and then files count is equals to 0. Then I will start a for loop for item in star do if two brackets -d item, then directory count plus plus, else files count plus plus, and if, then done. Now at the end we need to print the count. Echo directory count is $dir count, echo files count is $files count. Okay, so these two variables will be giving us the output as directory count is 2, files count is 4. Okay, so this is everything about this program of making a count of all the directories and files present under current working directory. I hope you guys have understood this concept. So if you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.